हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू एसएस ओडिया ट्यूटोरियल। आज आमे ओडिशा बीएड रो आज पर योर सिलेबस एजेंसीज वर्किंग फॉर एजुकेशन उपरे किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करिबा। जदि आपण माने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि नाहंती प्रथमे सब्सक्राइब करि नियंतु जहा फल रे कि मोर नुआ वीडियो रो नोटिफिकेशन पाई परिबे। तेबे आसंतु आलोचना करिबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेन पर्पज ऑफ नवोदय विद्यालयस is to give education to option A rural talented students, option B urban students, option C girls students only, option D rural students only. Correct answer is rural talented students. Question number 2, the idea of 4 pillars of education was suggested by UNICEF, UNESCO, NCTE, UGC. Correct answer is option B UNESCO. Question number 3, selection test for admission to teacher training program was suggested by NCTE, NAC, NPERC, NCERT. Correct answer is option C NPERC. Question number 4, NCTE was established by an act of parliament in option A 1975, option B 1995, option C 1996, option D 1986. Right answer is option B 1995. Next question, in which country the first open university was established in the world? USA, UK, India, Australia. Right answer is UK. Option B UK. Next question, continuous comprehensive evaluation in school education was started by CBSE, UGC, SCRT, IGNOU. Correct answer is option A CBSE. Next question, equality of educational opportunities is possible by extending portals of educational institutions to all without any discrimination, opening more educational institutions, privatizing the education system in the country, public funding of education. Correct answer is option A extending portals of educational institutions to all without any discrimination. Question number 8, inclusive education is about making provision for all children, welcoming and celebrating diversity. Option C both A and B are true. Option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C both A and B are true. Next question, the Right to Education Act recently passed by our Parliament is an extension of the following article of our Constitution. Option A 13, option B 15, option C 45, option D 55. Right answer is option C 45. Next question, the title of the Report of Education Commission 1964 to 66 is Learning Without Burden, An Enlightened and Human Society, Education and the People of India, Education and National Development. Correct answer is option D Education and National Development. Next question, the principal function of the NCERT is an extension work with the state education departments centering around the improvement of higher education, school education, secondary education, technical education. Correct answer is option B school education. Next question, IASE in teacher education were started in ऑप्शन ए 1964, ऑप्शन बी 1968, ऑप्शन सी 1986, ऑप्शन डी 1992. Right answer is option D 1992. Next question. International Institute of Educational Planning is at option A London, option B Paris, option C New York, option D New Delhi. Correct answer is option B Paris. Next question. Internship program of teacher education provides option A content courses, option B practical courses, option C complete school environment, option D research courses. Right answer is option C complete school environment. Next question. Last one. Which is the following agency regulates and monitors special education program in India? Option A Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, option B Ministry of Human Resource and Development, option C Rehabilitation Council of India, option D National Council of Teacher Education. Correct answer is option C Rehabilitation Council of India. ये थिला आजिर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन एजेंसीज वर्किंग फॉर एजुकेशन. जदि आपण मानकु वीडियोटी भल लगी थाए ताहले आउ थरे कहि रखुची चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु जहाँ फल रे नुआ नुआ नोटिफिकेशन नुआ वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन पाई परिवे. ता सहित फ्रेंड मानक सहित शेयर करंतु आउ चैनल को लाइक करंतु. थैंक यू.